Hello students, welcome to all my mentor math class. So students, do you practice maths properly for preparation for NDA and JEE examination? If you haven't, then this is the correct time to start practicing. So let's start with me. So today I am going to solve another questions on trigonometry topic using your shortcut form. Okay, so look at this question now. If sine theta plus cos sine phi is equal to A and cos theta plus cos phi is equal to B, then find the value of tan theta minus phi by 2. So we have to find the value of tan theta minus phi by 2. So using shortcut form means in that situation we have to put the values and check options. So in that way you can find the solution. Let's start the solution. So first of all, given that sine theta plus sine phi is equal to A. So this is your given. This is your given. Also given cos theta plus cos phi is equal to B, and we have to find your tan of theta minus phi by 2. Okay. So if I take theta and pi, both theta and phi, both are same value, and let us take this value is 45 degree, pi by 4. We can take, just putting the value, so we can take theta and phi both are same value, that is our 45 degree. So we can, that value we can substitute here. Okay. So if I substitute here theta by 45 degree and phi replaced by also 45 degree, so we got the value tan 0, and you, because 45 minus 45 0 and 0 by 2 is 0, and tan 0, the value of tan 0 is 0. So if we put theta and phi both are same value, and that value we can take pi by 4, 45 degree, so we got the value tan theta minus phi is equal to 0. So in that situation, so what is the value for A and B? If we put theta and phi 45 degree, so let's find out the value of A. So A is equal to, look at this, A is equal to sine theta, sine, if I put theta is your 45 degree and plus this phi replaced by 45 degree, that is your sine 45 degree. So you got the value, that is, you know, sine 45 is your 1 by root 2. Also sine 45 degree is 1 by root 2. So we got the value 2 by root 2. Okay. And 2 by root 2 means rationalization. 2 root 2 by root 2 into root 2. So we got the value, just rationalization, we got the value, that is 2 root 2 by 2. That is, here we can write, just see here, 2 root 2 by 2, because root 2 into root 2, root 2 into root 2 is your 2, and numerator is your 2 root 2. So 2 cancel. So we got the value for A is equal to root 2. If we substitute theta and phi pi by 4, so we got the value A, that is your root 2. So copy please. Now we got the value A is equal to root 2. So similar way we can find the value of B. So according to your question, B is equal to cos theta plus cos phi. So now theta replaced by 45 degree. Already put theta and phi is 45. So 45 here, substitute, plus cos phi is also, you can substitute here 45. So you got the value cos 45 is equal to 1 by root 2, and you know that cos 45 again 1 by root 2. So you got again 2 by root 2. That means again rationalization same way, you got the value root 2. So again we got the value root 2. So both A and B both are the same value. If we put theta and phi pi by 4, that is 45 degree. So we got the value A is equal to root 2 as well as B is equal to root 2. Okay, so now it can comes to your option. There are 4 options be there. We have to check. If we put A is equal to root 2, B is equal to root 2, so what value becomes? Okay, so that means we have to check. If we put A value root 2 and B value root 2, which option gives the value 0? Because you already got tan theta minus phi by 2, so that value is equal to 0. so that if we put a is equal to root 2, b is equal to root 2, so that value also will come 0. So then which option becomes or gives 0 value, we have to search. Okay, so copy please. Now we got the value a is equal to root 2, b is equal to root 2, and if we substitute theta and phi 45 degree, so you have tan theta minus phi by 2 is equal to 0. Now look at these options. A first option you can take a, that is your root a square plus b square by 4 minus a square minus b square. So if we put a is equal to root 2, so root 2 square means 2, and also b means root 2, again root 2 square, divide by 4 minus root 2 square minus root 2 square. So you got the value 4 minus 2 minus 2. So this is denominator is 0, that is your not defined. That means this option is incorrect because of our requirement is the value tan theta minus phi. That means this option gives the 0 value. Those options, there are 4 options be there. Look at this, there are 4 options be there. So which option gives the value 0? So we have to search. Okay, here not defined. If we see that this value gives 0, then option is correct. But here you see that value, this option value, it gives not defined, so that this option is wrong. Now comes to your second option number B. So check root under 4 minus a square minus b square by a square plus b square. So look at this form also. 4 minus a square means root 2 square, b square means root 2 square, by a square means root 2 square plus root 2 square. So now we got the value 4 minus root 2 square is 2, root 2 square is 2, divide by root 2 square, again 2 plus 2. So now you see that the numerator is 0. Numerator 0 means this quantity becomes 0, and our requirement find the which option gives 0 value. Clearly you see that these options gives the 0 value, so that this option obviously correct option, and you can check easily option C and D, and this option clearly 4 a square b square and a square plus b square. If you put a root 2 b root 2, this not gives 0 value. Okay, and again you can check this D option also, this option not gives 0 value. Only this option B option, you can see that this B option gives 0 value if you put a equal to root 2, b equal to root 2, so that only B option is your correct option. So C and D is your wrong option. Okay, so that is your solution. So B option is your correct option. Okay, note please, and thank you. So next class again another question we'll discuss. Okay, thank you.